Hello, good morning. Today I teach you the rice pancakes. It's a traditional cake that we eat in the 19 March because it's San Joseph, and in Italy we celebrate our father. Okay, we start with a rice boiled with milk and water the day before. Okay, and we put inside 2 eggs. Without skin, no skin. Okay, perfect. And we put the sugar, the flour later. Inside we don't put so much sugar because later we fry and roll in the sugar. Okay, this liquor is very important. It's anise liquor. It's a traditional liquor that we drink with tea time. Okay, another egg. Maurizio, you can give me 1 egg, sir, please.
Sure. Without the shell.
Yes. I hope. Okay. I have put the salt in the rice when I have boiled yesterday. Now put 1 piece of vanilla beans, only the inside, or only the filler. Yes, Maurizio? You help me with English, but I make the best Frittelle di Riso. This is the Italian name. A little bit of lemon skin. This is a powder of lemon skin. Small Maurizio give for me. Now I put 1, 2, 3. I think it's good. And a little bit of baking powder. Not too much. Only one pinch. You learn me the word. And you change not 2 eggs but 4 eggs. You can change for me. The oil is ready. And I make pancakes, rice pancakes. Maurizio, you can give me a baking tin with some sugar for roll. Oh, wonderful, Maurizio. You are very fast. You know. The smell, it's wonderful. Il profumo è buono.
Yes.
I prefer turn with hands, but it's so hot. Voilà. We taste, and then we finish. Stefano, the rice pancake is ready. I think we can eat with our rosé.
Wow, it's a party.
Our rosé wine
Yeah,
or
sure.
our white wine?
Oh, this is a good idea.
Yes. Maurizio with glass, you with wine, and me with pancakes.
Okay.
Big hands.
Aspetta.
No.
Vieni qui. Ok. Ok, salute.
Put the eggs, put the sugar, put flour, put liquor, baking powder, light the fire, put in the oil and fry. You can buy our biological pasta, our new oil and some wine in our shop, shop.diacceroni.com. Bye bye, thank you so much.